All right, so let's dive right in. Everything comes with a user manual. Not sure if they just have to do that or what, but who uses user manuals these days? Reaching inside, ooh, check that out. Very nice. It's actually pretty lightweight. I believe it's 25 pounds. So I think this is one of the more lightweight AC units on the market. Looks really good, nice and sleek, nice little display there. I'll show you how to use it here when I'm back at Overland Expo. Also inside is some sort of jumbo-sized AC adapter. And what's this? Accessory box. We'll find out what's in here in just a second. All right, inside here, all the ductwork that you need. There's, looks like a couple of them, a couple different sizes. These stretch out, as you can see. So satisfying, that sound. And inside of one of these tubes, looks like there's a few little items in there. This is the condensation tube. You plug this into the AC so that the water that it creates, the condensation, drips out. And we have classic AC adapter cable here. And then there's just these little adapters. What this is for is being able to put the ductwork on so that it can snap on and stay in place. So there you have it, all the parts of the CYBERTAKE S2 Pro. But wait, there's more. Remember, I have the remote control and also the protective cover. Let's unbox those real quick. Not a remote like I was picturing it. Normally you picture like a TV remote or something like that. This actually, to me, looks a little bit more like a thermostat. Looks really cool, kind of rugged. And I actually picture myself maybe like Velcroing this inside my tent to the roof so that you just have a little thermostat just like you would in your house. But pretty cool looking. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, nice color. Here we go. And check it out. This is, not sure. I'm thinking more like an accessory thing. Maybe you put the AC adapter in there. And check this out. Interesting. There's a zipper for the bottom here to make the bottom solid. This is actually really high quality material. Little Molly kind of panels to be able to attach things to it if necessary. Does the air conditioner actually fit in here nicely? Sometimes these are so snug, it's like the worst, right? Why don't people make protective covers that have a little extra room so you're not trying to force it in? Let's see what CYBERTAKE did here. And not bad at all. And there you have it, the unboxing. Let's get this all put together back at Overland Expo and get the CYBERTAKE S2 Pro up and running in my tent to cool it off. And cool it off, it did. This AC is plug and play, weighing only 25 pounds. It's IPX4 water resistant. Eco mode only consumes 1 kilowatt hour over a 10-hour period. This AC is capable of rapid cooling as well as heating.